Well, hi everyone, waiting to another one of my videos. I've had a few comments on my social media regarding the bike, a few questions. So can we have a bit of a close-up, what have you done, etc, etc. So I thought I'd just post a quick video with the specs and a quick run through what I've done. Basically, she's obviously a VTR1000F SC36. Spec wise, obviously she's a 90-degree V-twin, 1000cc. She's got two 48mm carbs. Cooling is liquid. Power on these things are about 110 brake horsepower from new, obviously. Don't think she'll quite reach that now, but I do need to put onto a little bit of a dyno test really and check her out. Torque settings is 70 foot-pounds thereabout. Front suspension is 41mm telescopic forks. The rear suspension is just a racing rate monoshock. Suspensions are okay, they do need a slight adjustment. The front discs, we've got 4-piston calipers, missing 4-piston calipers at the front. At the rear we've got a 2-piston caliper. Again, the brakes aren't absolutely fantastic on these things. There are upgrades and bits and pieces you can do. Wheelbase is 143 centimetres. The dry weight is 192 kilograms. It's 423 pounds, and the seat height is about 81 centimetres. All in all, lovely little bike. I couldn't be any happier with this one. She's year 2000, so she's what, W-Edge here in the UK. Spec wise, what have I done? Okay, so at the front here we've got some wavy discs I've got on there. Obviously both wheels have been powder coated. Going up here, I've just put some aftermarket LED indicators on there. What I must say, actually are quite good. We've got some R&G crash protectors for the frame, etc. Had the engine casings powder coated on both sides. Changed the pipes to high-rise. Exhausts here are 225mm stubbies. Again, we've got a wavy disc on the back there, with the powder coated. Swing arms have been powder coated. Year, basically I'll give a respray. The colour itself is a Korma blue, which I must say is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think the picture really gives it much justice, actually, to be honest with you. The day is quite dull. Carbon tank protector. Changed the cluster for some blue bulbs, which I've yet to test really. Back here, obviously in the UK, it's just coming out of a winter. Now it's spring, so the weather is changing. Rental grips, aftermarket clutch and front brake levers. I have changed all the casing bolts for stainless steel. I mean, all in all, she's a lovely bike. I've had her now for a couple of years. I won't be getting rid of her. She's a keeper, as I would say. Cooling, again, I've changed over the winter. I've changed all the pipes. So yeah, all in all, very pleased with her. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you soon. Ride safe.